Hey there everybody, this just arrived in the mail today. Let's get it open and see what it is. Well, here it is, out of the packaging. Let's get this box open and see what we got. Okay. There it is. What is this? Well, it has a Kydex sheath. It's got about a 2-inch belt loop there. It says Schrade stamped into the Kydex. Has MOLLE compatible attachments. Doesn't look like a drain hole of any kind. But it has a Velcro retention strap up here at the top, which can slide back and forth so you can adjust it how you want. Let's pull this out and see what we got. Okay, here it is out of the sheath. It says Schrade up there on the blade. It's got a little green sticker on it. And over here it says, who knows, we can't see it. There it is. It says SCHF45. Well, the first thing I noticed is that this knife is quite heavy. It's obviously a Bowie knife. It's got the typical like Bowie knife shape. It has TPE handles that feel just like the rubber on a Goodyear tire. It's got pretty aggressive thumb ramp right there. You get the light to hit it just right. It almost feels like a little mini saw blade. Has a slight finger choil right here, so you can choke up on that, brace your thumb up here, do some finer carving tasks. You can see about how thick it is there. There it is. It's got a nice straight blade. And the edge looks pretty good. It is Full-Tang. And I think this might throw sparks from a fire steel. The finger choil definitely will. It's fairly sharp right there. It's a big knife. Alright, here we got like a size comparison. This is a little Fisker's little belt hatchet. It's a nice little hatchet there. And then this is the Cold Steel Bushman. I think most people are familiar with that. But you can see the size difference there. Okay, this is it beside the Schrade little Ricky knife, little Ricky. It's the SCHF45. It's a really nice knife. And you can see the size difference here, I hope. Quite a size difference there. It seems like the titanium coating's darker on the LeRoy. It's much lighter on the little Ricky. And this is it beside the Schrade SCHF45 E2. Little camp hatchet there. But you can see that the LeRoy Bowie is actually larger than the hatchet. Okay, let's do a paper cut test here. This is straight out of the box. I haven't done anything to this Bowie knife yet. Fairly sharp. It feels like maybe it could use a little stropping, like it's just slightly less sharp than the Little Ricky was straight out of the box, but it's still paper cutting sharp. So we got just about 17 inches. Or 42 centimeters. It's about 2¼ inches at its widest spot. The actual cutting surface is about 10 inches. And the handle we're looking at probably about 6½ from like up here to up here. Okay, here it is beside the down under walkabout knife, which is a very nice knife. It's not the greatest, but it's okay. But you can see how much larger this blade is. Well, I just got this. I'm looking forward to getting outside and giving it a try. Well, what I just discovered when I was putting this back in the sheath is it seems like it has pretty decent retention. It doesn't seem like it's going to come falling out too easy. And then it also has this Velcro strap, which holds it really nice and snug. I found out that the knife can rock ever so slightly in here, and if you pull it back towards you, like so the blade comes away from the edge in here, when you pull out, it comes out much easier. If you're pushing the opposite direction, when you pull, it seems like it just locks in there and won't come out. So, I mean, that's actually okay, I guess. Just pull it forward just a little hair. But you can see it's Full-Tang. It's got like 3 hexagon Allen key nuts on there. Little lanyard hole right there. Overall, I mean, it's probably a decent chopper. If you're like into carrying a big jumbo size Bowie knife, this is probably a fairly decent one. I haven't actually got to go out and test it too much yet, but it seems like it's half decent there. Well, I don't have a whole lot more to say. Yeah, tipping it back is definitely the way. Just pulling back a little bit, it comes right out when you do that. So that's pretty nice. But like I said, this was just an unboxing and a first look at it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned. In the next few weeks, I'll try to get out into the woods and test it out for you. This is Joe Doomsday signing out.